And what if I told you that the video you just watched didn't cost a single penny and that absolutely no one approved it? And that on top of that, it was made through a text message. How does that make you feel? If you want to see how, you can't miss this video. Hello, hi everyone, I'm Christina. Welcome once again to a video about artificial intelligence. Today we're going to break the rules and check out an application that is truly incredible. With just an agent and a text message, we can make movies. So I think today's video is one you're really going to like, and it could be super interesting for you. So stick around, let's get started with the video now, and you'll see along with me what it's all about. The application we're going to use today is called DeeVid AI. I'll show you step by step how to create a professional video in minutes, even if you've never edited a clip before. So I think this is going to be your go-to app 100%. So let's get to it and see how the application works. Before we get into the website, if you're passionate about the world of AI like I am, I invite you to subscribe, please, because that way we can share more things together. And above all, at the end of the video, if you liked it, make sure to give it a like. Now then, let's get started with the application. Let's take a look. Look, we're here on DeeVid.ai. The first thing that stands out is that it's completely in Spanish. You can see that everything is set up. Agent, video, image, audio, canvas, edit, explore, update. Everything is absolutely in Spanish. As you can see here in the center part, we already have it there. Thank you. It's quite convenient, really. Create like a professional. Just ask David Allen, your all-in-one creative AI director for video, image, avatar, voice, and music, okay? I understand it's my first time going in. I've heard about it, but I'm going to check it out with you all for the first time, and let's find out what we can do. It's true that here we have some inspirational videos that honestly seem super top to me, all of them really, because they're very hip-hop style. Let's see if we can make it clear here what it does. Look, as I was saying, through a text, well, and personal. Character, rebellious girl, strong personality, street culture, clothing. And what the app gives her is basically a few brushstrokes of how she wants the background to look. So how is the girl dressed? And then here it tells her character. What she wants is to generate a view from 3 angles, a close-up. She basically made a mini music video using some images she had. And you just write what you want, right? In the end, she created a song, even added the song, and it generated the final music video for her, which is what we're seeing here. I think it's absolutely amazing, right? I mean, that you can do this with just 4 images, a short, a reel, a mini music video. I mean, I think it's fantastic, okay? I don't know what you all think, but honestly, I find it incredible. I think it's a really top-notch tool. We've just seen a bit. You can make videos, you can make images, you can make audio, canvases, and edit whatever you've created, the segment you've made. I think with the example I showed you of the girl, where you could see everything, how it was made step by step, okay? You can really gain a complete and thorough understanding of how the step-by-step video is made in the end. I am incredibly sorry for the interruption. Please let me go ahead and share my screen with all of you right now. In the end, it's just about having your prompt ready or simply creating it as you go. There's nothing the camera has to do at all, but it's a tool that does everything completely on its own. I mean, from what I've seen, having people guiding you through everything, I think it's one of the best things out there. And I've also seen results from this, and honestly, they're really, really top-notch. I was really hoping to see if you could take a look. Well, this is exactly the same thing that we were looking at a little bit earlier today. From here, well, here I already did a mini editorial photo session, so, well, plus you can copy the prompts that have already been made. You see, you have the option to copy the ones that are already done. So honestly, it's super top. Because if you want to create or tell the AI directly, hey, make this for me to do such and such thing, you already know that AI is amazing at this and it's an incredible tool. Well, I found this application very, very interesting. Honestly, I don't know what you all thought, whether you liked it or not, if you've tried it or not. I would really like it if you've already tried it, you leave a comment saying if you have, if you know of similar ones or not, or any kind of comment you might have. I would really appreciate it if you did that in the comments so I can also check it out with you. So I would say that in conclusion, this bit application is an all-in-one. It's amazing. I think it saves you a lot of learning time compared to other applications. I think it's very complete, honestly. I would use it 100% if I were making videos or anything on Instagram, TikTok. I think it's a top-notch tool. I'll leave you, especially in the description, the link so you can try it out yourself. Let me know in the comments if you've actually tried it and if you would use it as a tool, if you use it for social media. If not, well, I'd like to know a bit about what you use it for. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos or any of the ones coming up from now on. So above all, if you liked it, leave a super like. See you in the next video, and a big shout out.